Okay, here's a review of the Moen Shaky Jimmy. I'm not even going to I'm not going to bother with the chorus. I'm just going to do the vibe, the UNI-VIBE tone. And this first one's going to be clean. I'll start with the treble pickup, then both pickups, then the neck pickup on a Les Paul with the coil tap for single coil sounds. So I'll just go through the three pickup selections, and then I'll change the settings. Okay? The rate, I'm not going to do the rate really fast because this is what it sounds like. Probably leave that fairly slow. So here we go. The neck. Now we'll take this hue control all the way over. Okay, here we go. I'm going to leave the treble pickup on. Actually, I'll leave the mid position on in single coil mode, and I'll go through this hue control so you can hear what it does. The hue control seems to bring out the bloom in the effect, kind of, you know, and it seems to me that when it's cranked to the right, there's a little less treble, but there's more blooming, if that's the right word. So here, try this. A little bit more of a roller coaster cranked out. Try that middle. Okay, now I'm going to try, I'll leave it clean, but I'm going to go into full humbucker mode so you can hear it. And I'll start out with the treble pickup. And I'll go from treble to mid to bass again, so you can hear what it sounds like in each position.
Bye.